Namaste ji to all of you. How are you all? Okay, good. So class, today we are going to discuss adaptation in terrestrial plants. Okay, yesterday we have discussed about the two type of habitat, terrestrial or and aquatic. So today we are going to discuss about the adaptation in terrestrial plants. Okay, so first is adaptation in plants growing in hills and mountains. Okay, you can see in the picture these type of trees you will generally see in the hilly areas. Okay, so what are the speciality of these trees? They have needle like leaves. Okay, you can see their leaves are needle like. These trees are conical in shape. You can see the shape of these trees are conical. Okay, like this. So you can say that these trees are conical in shapes. Okay, for example, cedar trees and pine trees. Okay, these type of trees generally grow in hilly and mountainy areas. Okay class, so it is the first type of adaptation. The second one is adaptation in plants growing in plains. Okay, firstly we have discussed about the hilly areas. In the second case we will discuss in plain. Okay, so you can see in the picture they are very big with many branches. Okay, you can see there are a lot of branches of this tree. Their leaves are big and broad. Okay, these plants shed their leaves in winter and grow new leaves in summer. Okay, these type of plants, the plants which grow in plain areas, they shed their leaves in winter and grow new leaves in summer. Okay, these are the speciality of the plant which are growing in plains. Okay, for example, people and mango trees and many more you can see around you. There are a lot of trees on plain areas. Okay, so these are the speciality of all those trees. Okay, so second one was in plains. Now next one is adaptation in plants growing in marshy areas. Okay, first of all we will understand what is marshy area. The area which have sticky and clayey soil. Okay class, the area which have sticky means you can say in Hindi chipchipi, and clayey soil. Okay, that area is marshy area, and the plants which are growing in marshy areas are called mangroves. Okay, there is special name for that, that is mangrove. Okay class, they have special type of roots called breathing roots. Okay, these type of branches, these type of plants having special type of roots called breathing roots. Okay class, and the example is rhizome. Okay, this is the plant name which grow in marshy areas. Next one is adaptation in plants growing in deserts. Okay class, so what are the speciality? In the picture you can see it is a cactus plant. It generally grows in deserts, and what are the specialities? They store water in their stem. Okay, what they do? They store water in their stem. They have short and spiny leaves to reduce water loss, or you can say loss of water. Okay, they have very short and spiny leaves. Why they have spiny leaves? To reduce water loss. Okay, and the next one is they have waxy coating on leaves. Their leaves are very slippery. If you will touch, you will feel very slippery. That means they have waxy coating on the leaves. Okay class, so these are the characteristic of plants growing in deserts. Okay, for example, cactus you can see in the picture, babool also. These are those plants which are growing in deserts. Okay, so today we have discussed four type of adaptation in plants. Firstly, adaptation in plants growing in hill and mountain. The second one is adaptation in plants growing in plains, adaptation in plants growing in marshy areas, and adaptation in plants growing in deserts. Okay class, so now it's time to give me some answers. Okay, so you have to write these questions as well as their answers in your notebook also, and do this work very carefully, because these questions will come in your unit test, which will be on 2 mind. Okay, I'm going to tell you the meaning of these questions. First one is, which type of plant have needle like leaves? You have to tell the name of that plant. Okay, the next one is, write any 3 features of a plant growing in plain areas. The third one is, which type of plants are known as mangrove? The fourth one is, why cactus plant have short leaves? Okay class, so you have to write very carefully in good handwriting. Okay class, okay, thank you.